Hello friends, this is Arun and welcome to my channel of Forums Creation. Today I will teach you how to use the 960 grid system in your web designing, and it is the base for all web designing in current scenario. All famous website, all web template are designed using this 960 grid system. So there is a website like 960 grid system. In the left side you will get download, then you can download the file where CSS and all mentioned software files are available, and I will show you the available files in this folder. So these are the folder in this download segment, and you can use all these stuff in your web designing. So I will go to template, and then I will click on Photoshop. Then you will have this 960 grid 12 column, 960 grid 16 column, then 960 grid 24 column. There are three types of 960 grid system are available, and I will work with this 12 pixel. So here is the 960 12 pixel grid system. So I will make a new file. So in this tutorial I will teach you how to use this system in your web designing. So firstly, make a new file by going to file, then click on new, then I want 1680 pixel, then height suppose 1100, then click on OK. Now I will directly drag the template that I have downloaded from the 960 grid system. Now this is my PSD file, then I will directly drag it to my document, then you will get this. Now I will align these two layers, select both layers, then align it vertical, horizontal. Now this grid is in the center. Now make a new file again, click on new, then I want 24 pixel by 24 pixel, click on OK, then zoom it, make a new layer, hide this layer white. Now use this line, the pixel should be, the width should be 1 pixel. Now hold the shift button on the keyboard, now drag it, now move it to bottom. Okay, now save this as define pattern. Now grid 24, name it grid 24. Now click on OK. Now I will come again to my file. Okay, so this is the file. Now now make a new layer. Firstly go to edit, then fill. I want to fill it with the file that I have made. Now click on here, Control Z, edit, click on here. Now the guides are available. Now I will reduce the opacity for this. Now make a new copy for this, Control G. Now move it upward so that this gap can be removed. Now this gap has been removed. Now I will make a new guide. Go to view, then new guide. Because I want specific area, I want to work in specific area. The area should be 960 wide. So I will go to view, then make a new guide first, then it should be around 360 this. Now go to view, then new guide, then second guide should be 8 40. Now click on OK. This is in the center. Now this time 13, 20. Okay. Now this is the area available as I want to work with this area. The why I have choose the 24 pixel pattern because it is 12 pixel. I want perfect square on this grid lines. Now make a new group, call it grid, rename it grid 960. Now put all layers into this. Now you can work now to make your web template. So this is a segment you have to work in between it. This is the first guide, this is the my right guide. So this is the available area where we can work, and in this way you can use 960 grid system in your web designing. Now you can proceed further to make your design. Thank you friends, keep watching Anush Creation.